Hello again, 7th graders. For your final Friday phonology assignment, what I would like you to do is give me essentially the same information, but I would like you to just do it in a video format. So I would like you to go outside. Hopefully you can go to the same spot you have been going to while you've done your other Friday phonology observations, and take a look around, listen, and tell me about animals you see, plants you see. I don't expect you to tell me, oh, this is a silver maple that I'm sitting underneath, or I can tell that that is an eastern gray squirrel sitting in the tree above me. I do not expect that. But if you see a squirrel, if you see a tree, maybe you know it's a maple tree, you don't know what kind, because there are multiples, do the best you can. And also, give me a quick weather report. So I think you could do this easily in under 60 seconds. Just make a quick video of yourself, giving me a weather report, telling me about animals and plants that you see, and submit that into Schoology as a video. Thank you very much, and have a great long weekend.